looks mean. YouTube, random meet tonight. Just had to pull up. We got M4 out, M340i. This is nice. It's fire. So low key. That's a daily would be crazy, dude. We got G80s. I got track. Hey, I don't want to step in this. I got slides on. Oh, this shit hard. Benz. Aston Martin. That's my favorite car. When they see that camera, it's the energy. This engine very stupid. That shit wild. Oh, I gotta warm up. Nope. I'm telling you, when they see that camera, the energy come out, bro. That shit was dumb loud. He one of these. Bro, I recently just like got put up on one of these Johns. He was dipping. And I'm telling you, I didn't know that they can cut like that. Wide bodies can cut. I'm telling you. Hey, y'all hear the music in the back? I'm gonna get copyright. I'm gonna throw a little edit. So I always want one of these motherfuckers, like some race cars, but that exhaust, I haven't seen this before. Nice rail. Good arrow, carbon arrow. Whole roof, everything. That shit's wild. This is super hard though. Supercharged fail? I would supercharge mine, honestly. Over twin turbo, even though it look cool. 600 LT. That shit's stupid. Super clean. Shining. Hold on, let me see what it look like with the flash on. With the flash on? Damn. Personally, I ain't doing this, but it look hard. That's S. What's this? M5, 550i? Let me see. Bro, how is a Honda making that noise? Hey, but 550i? I don't know how a Honda making that noise. That's a little wild. This is hard. This mad hard. That's stupid hard. Carbon everywhere. I need a water lens, I ain't gonna lie. Yeah, M4. Oh, they got a drag pack. Full drag pack. That shit hard. This is like, I don't know if this is like my color. We got full drag pack, man. M4 or the damn SS, I'm taking the M4. I don't care, I'm taking the M4. Forget the 10 speed, I don't give a damn. Hey, a little pro charge. That's cool. I got that hiss to it. All carbon. All carbon. They got one right there. And they got vet. I'm taking that vet. This shit's smooth. Bro, it's probably running so much damn power. I thought about doing this and I was like, hell nah. I'm gonna blow my car. This is everywhere. Y'all probably seen this before. Single turbo 1JZ Lamborghini. Fiberglass right there. Inside. A real race car. Viper, probably twin turbo. Stupid fast. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. That shit is crazy. That is wild. GT3, Sport. More GTRs over here. Hold on. Bro, what the hell? Gosh. It's a brand new GTR. This is clean. 2025, 2024. It's mad clean. This looks mean. Show love to the Evo. Let me see. Fire. This truck. Sleeper. CTSV. Sleeper. Big tires on it. This shit's sitting. That shit is sitting. I need a wider lens. Like, I really need like a 0.5 ass lens. This should look wild from behind. It's like a real race car. Nice C6 wide body version. Nice i8. Hey, this touring fire. It's just hella hard. It really is crazy though. 7-Eleven is really matched too. I wonder how fast this shit is. Whole parachute on that job. How y'all taking this? Viper. Twin turbo rail car right there, GTRs, dummy Skylines right there, 720 over there. I'm taking the C8s, C7. This is cool. I like the color on it. Are y'all taking this? Cause this shit's still hard. I said, damn, whatever. Got trucks out, Supras. I just put this in my video. Y'all taking this? That over there. I don't know what that was back there, but are y'all taking this? Can't be legal, bro. You see the flame flares right there? You at a gas station, brother. Nice Evo. CTSV. Evo.
No red?
Sacrificing my damn ears for tonight. That shit vibrated the damn floor. Super clear too.
Yeah.
But this shit is so loud. It's going all the way over there. Hey, see the cops right there, bro? Supercharger. It's calling my name. That shit is loud, like, bro, like, damn. Bro, that motherfucker is loud. Oh my gosh. This shit is huge. This shit sound recklessly loud, I ain't gonna lie. I think they all leaving. Nice Evo though. Shit, hella hard. Up top. That shit clean. So why they gotta do them like that, bro? Different turbos. I mean, different engines. That shit don't got turbos. That's just NA. That shit got turbos. Probably leaving too. This color mad clean. You see the interior lights? They all bouncing. This shit is crazy. It might be a ZR1. No, it's a Z06.